realised in England that I had a tooth out, and the only way that it could be done correctly would be through an implant. But unfortunately the cost of that one implant was about £2,000. My wife went on the net and found Signature Smiles, who phoned, talked about the possibilities of an implant, and because we were coming to Bombay, it was decided to take a chance, which in its way was, we felt at the time it was a chance, but in actual fact, when we arrived at Signature Smiles, it was so professional. All the dental people went into great detail on what would happen, what was the best way to go, and the professionalism of Signature Smiles, I cannot say could be higher. It was so good. I've spent three times with them, and they have explained everything in relation to the process. And all I can say is thank you very much for all the work that you've done, and for how you've explained everything, and the possibility of some extra work, which I'm sure when I come back to India to have the current work completed, I shall have some extra work done as well. And all I can say is thank you very much.